Okay, I'll just show you how to use the Sat Nav in this 2020 Porsche Macan. So from any screen here, we'll just go to home, nav. Here we go, nav, you've got start here. Nothing else here. We'll go to search. I want P, R, change there to numbers, 5, 4, go back to ABC, E, A, PR5 4EA, click on there, start route guidance.
The route is being calculated. After 200 yards, leave the roundabout at the third exit and continue to follow the A675.
Basically, we're sat on the forecourt, but it's telling me to go down to the roundabout, come back, and we're here. So I'll just stop that.